Ever struggle to write the perfect thank you message? Let me show you how Composer on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can help. As an example, let's say you want to thank your teacher after an exam. To do so, open your conversation with your teacher on the Messages app. In this case, we use Samsung Messages app. Tap the text field to bring up the keyboard. On the keyboard, tap the writing assist icon. Then select Composer. In the Composer box, type your idea. Now, look at the message style menu at the bottom left. Then select Standard. Then check the tone menu at the bottom right. Then select Polite. Tap Generate and Composer will create a polite version of your message. If you want, tap the length icon at the top to switch between standard and detail. At the bottom, you can refresh to regenerate, copy to clipboard, or insert directly into your message. And that's it. Your thoughtful, polite thank you message is ready in seconds. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.